Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and this is my third video. In my previous video, I explained you how social media plays an important part as a part of influencer in us. So how we can make money with these kind of social media platforms. So today I'll be explaining the second part of that. So if you have not seen my previous video, click on the I button and you have to see that video first and then you can come to this video to understand it more precisely. So I had explained you that there are four types of influencer that we have categorized into. So one in that is a mega influencer, second one is the macro influencer, micro influencer and nano influencer. So I'll be explaining you today what these influencers are and where we stand and people like us, because we don't have much followers, we are in the smaller part. So this video is mainly for them, because I know that once you reach big, definitely the brands will come to you and they start offering you. But before that, if we don't have so much of followers, then what we should do? This video is especially for them. So before starting, please like my video and subscribe my video to have more educational videos like this. So today I'll be explaining you. I'll start with what a mega influencer is. So mega influencer is a person who has huge audience or huge following. Let's say he has more than 1 million followers, and 1 million is not that small. It is very big. They are the big influencers and they get huge money for promotions. But the only thing is that they don't have that much of connection with the audience, because the audience reach is huge and they cannot tweet or message each and every single 1 million person. So it is very difficult for them, and brands prefer them but not that much. They definitely go for products but not that much. The second one is a macro influencer. So macro influencer is somewhere you have a followers from 1 lakh to 1 million. So that is again the reach is huge, and even here the brands are not that much concerned, because as the audience is wide, they would definitely go for a smaller and a narrow list of audience, and those kind of influencer are more preferable for the brands. So the types of influencer that I would focus is on the micro and the nano influencer. The micro influencers would definitely have less followers compared to any macro or mega influencers. So what micro influencers have is that he would be having a follower of more than 10,000. So he would be having subscribers or followers of more than 10,000 to 1 lakh. So this comes under micro. And nano is for persons like us, where you have more than 1,000 followers and less than 10,000 followers. So this would definitely has more scope. One is micro and another one is nano. So these two categories have more focus, as the scope is more based on the brands, because brands know that you have the personal touch and personal connectivity with your followers, and that is the reasons when they try to invest on advertisements, they try to invest on you, because one thing is that they need not pay you that high amount compared to what they pay for mega influencers, and the second thing is that they save a lot of money and you are in require of brands. When you are searching for brands, so even they know that you require them and they require it. So it is said that a nano influencer or a micro influencer can earn up to 8,000 rupees per post. So you can demand in future on if brands are approaching you. I'm mentioning you, it's up to. Okay, so up to 8,000 you can take for a particular ad. So remember that if any company is approaching you, don't directly tell them that you want 20,000, 30,000 or 50,000, because you are not that big influencer. I'm telling this about nano and micro. Okay, so you can earn up to 8,000. If it is a micro influencer, then definitely micro and macro, who has more than 30,000 followers, then definitely they can earn up to 18,000 per post. And the mega influencers can take up to 8 lakh rupees per post. So what is the power of this social media? It is making you as a celebrity. you are a common man, and for the common people, you are a celebrity because they are getting influenced by you. So all you have to do is you have to show your motivation. Okay. So whatever you're good at drawing, you draw and upload it. You're good in speaking, you're good in motivating, whatever you're good at, you have to do that and you have to start uploading that. That is the only way where you can grab the attention of your followers and they start following you on certain criteria. And again, remember, if you're planning to do this for money, then you have to definitely close this video, because I can understand that the concept, the topic itself is how to earn money from social media. But I'm telling how to, okay? But you need not be desperate for this because it takes time. None of the followers, if you see this video and if you're planning to start a channel tomorrow, or if you're planning to start an Instagram account tomorrow and start earning money immediately, that won't happen because it takes time. Engagement is required, okay? Followers has to build up. So it takes at least minimum 6 months of effort. So it is not an immediate impactable money, but definitely, you take time and you have to reach into the next. So how to become an influencer? So I'll be explaining you in detail. So I know that you have a social media account, but why isn't it getting that much reach? Okay. So step number 1 is always have a theme. Okay. If you're good at something, maybe if you're good at crafts, if you're good at making food, if you're good at making cakes, have a theme and keep the theme and post only those kind of pictures. If you don't have such account, create a new account and start posting only the things related to that theme. For example, I like traveling, so I have started my traveling page, a travelogue page where I'm posting only my travel pictures. So let's say if you are good in cooking, so you start making videos, you start taking pictures of your cooked food, then you start posting that. Okay, so the same criteria of audience will be behind you, and they'll start pinging you and they'll start following you. Step number two, you have to choose the right platform, because there are thousands of social media platforms, but you have to choose the right social media platform. For example, if you're very good in videos, then definitely go for YouTube. If you're very good in posting pictures, then definitely go for Instagram. I would recommend these 2 platforms where you can, build your audience. Step number 3, give value for that product. Whatever you're putting, make sure that it is your own content. You are, showing a lot of effort, and make sure that whatever you put is true and genuine, because people follow you, and just for clickbait, don't put anything so that people will click and you'll get some benefits. Nothing like that. So these are the 3 important steps where you can become a social media influencer. It's very simple. So I'll be making my next video particularly on Instagram. I'll be showing you examples on how you can make money in Instagram. So stay tuned for my next video. And definitely, these are the things I wanted to tell you. Please like my video, subscribe my video, and if there is anything, you have a comment box below, comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.